The year was 1993 when singer Tony Curtis teamed up with Jigsy King for the #1 hit song titled Butterfly. Tony is here to give us the backstory behind that song in our Fiwi Culture segment.
Yeah man, this is Tony Curtis. I'm gonna tell you something. Just listen out for the story of how my first hit song came about, called Butterfly, between me and Jigsy King. Check it out.
Do you catch the new relic?
Butterfly.
Hey, yeah.
Butterfly.
Mashing up the whole district, yeah. Driving all the young girls wild.
Butterfly.
Come and do the butterfly.
Tony, Butterfly, how did the concept for that song come about? What inspired it?
All right. Butterfly was a dance originated in Kingston, Jamaica. And everybody was doing it, you know? Everybody was trying to make a song of the new dance that was coming. And me and Jigsy King was there after we just signed with Roof, just won the contest. And we were at the studio and he was telling me about this new dance named Butterfly. He said, Butterfly? What that I gonna make? Jigsy come to me with it, you know. And say, oh, that I gonna make? So him say, just sing something about Butterfly, man, and make me finish it up, man. So me then at the studio was RFM, Barry O'Hare was the engineer, and I was there as a little young lad, thinking, wondering, what should I sing? And then a little melody come into my brain, and it was like, do you catch the brand new lick? Butterfly. Jigsy come in and say, Butterfly.
Dance butterfly, it on the latest style. Some girl them a dream on them can't do it right. Oh man,
Everybody in the studio was like, boom, 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 I hit that. The producer, which is Courtney Cole, big up yourself, Father Cole, he was the one that come in the studio and say, yes, this sound good, you know, this sound like a hit, you know, boy. And him did a groove to the rhythm, and the engineer a groove to the rhythm, and everybody from out of the studio, where I work at the time, we record the song and we carry it out the road and we go play it up a Roof International, and everybody up there was like, yes, yes, so you do the dance. And we never know if we do the dance, because we are go like so. We are go like so. The man said, no, I saw you have to do, wiggle your foot and come in. And we said, oh. Courtney was like, we could carry it, go to Stone Love and make Stone Love try it out, and we bring it, go to Stone Love, and Stone Love test it, and everybody was like, yes, youth, this gone. Them time gone, they even come in yet. That one here go down the place, basically something like that. And the song just rise up and take off like a rocket. I tell you, one of the biggest places to take off, a place named Japan.
We wanna catch a butterfly.
I went to Florida with Garnet Silk, Freddie McGregor, Little Hero, Jigsy King and me, and Terry Ganzi, a lot of more artists up on the show. You see, when them said Jigsy King and Tony Curtis, me as a young artist don't know about how to deal with fans and them thing there. Me there backstage, I hug up everybody I come for hug me and hug. Yo, come on the stage, your time on the stage. You see, when we touch the stage, the place burned down flat. You see girls just run from every corner. Ah!
yeah, why? No scaling on the dance, but no home with wind and a butterfly. Can't be girl, pull up your one even.
So what's the relevance of beauty pageants today? Members of the public gave us their responses in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
No man, I think it's very irrelevant. I love to see my beautiful ladies, you know, but I think that there can be other competition that has some sort of meritocracy other than beauty, something that somebody work hard to achieve, and then you can make a competition and let those persons compete against each other.
You know only have to do with beauty. You have to do with like the personality of somebody. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they can name it, give it a different name.
I believe so, and I still believe it's relevant for beauty pageants. You get to train and teaches you know, a lady. Teach a girl how to be a lady.
Pageants, they still send a message when it comes to, you know, part of fashion same way. So therefore, it is relevant. People are people no matter where you are in the world. You know, your voice needs to be heard or your beauty needs to be seen.
Yeah, I think it's important to show the beauty of others and to also, I would say, I'm not really sure about the question still, but just to show the beauty of everything.
Yes, it's not a necessity, but it's important.
So you feel like it's relevant?
Yeah, it's relevant. Girls developing their self-esteem, you know, build their confidence and stuff like that, so it's good.
Yeah, it is relevant. Because, you know, kids, they feel build up themselves and know, you know, people's different, so yeah, you know, everybody they want a little style and taste. So it is, yeah, it's relevant.
Yes, I think it's relevant because it's something that I always love. So.
Well, when you hear what the people have to say, no, but what do you think? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's all the time we have for this week's episode of Pree the Show. You don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addy sitting here in the boiling hot sun in a half a tree. Until next time, I'm out. Alright guys, by the way, this is Rajay. Yo, that rhyme, you see? I have some turning up, but anyway, I knew that on the block. You see, so I'm going to see more out. Right, my boss?